Hi guys, my name is Drew Carroll. I'm the executive chef at Leonard Dining Hall at Queen's University. Today we are going to talk about an easy stir-fry dish that's very versatile that you could do at home, and also we have it on our menu here at Leonard Hall. So today we're going to do a teriyaki chicken stir-fry. It's very versatile. You can certainly change any proteins in the dish. Today we're going to use some chicken strips. We also have tofu as an alternative choice, and you can simply switch out the chicken or the tofu with shrimp, pork, or whatever you may have in your kitchen. So as you can see on my table, I have some vegetables which I prepared this morning. So it's bok choy, celery, onions, carrots, broccoli, red peppers. We also have some chicken strips. We have our teriyaki sauce for our stir fry, and we also have some tofu. So to make things a little easier on yourself when you're at home, a lot of these items you can pre-purchase at the grocery store that are already processed for you. This vegetable blend here, for instance, at your local supermarket, you can certainly pick that up. Same thing with your chicken. You can buy this in your local deli. They already have that done for you. Same thing with the sauce. So this is an ultimate teriyaki sauce, but again, you can purchase that in the grocery store or you can make your own. This is just plain diced tofu, but you can certainly marinate that to get a little bit of a different flavor profile. The big thing is, when you're doing a stir fry, you always want to start with a hot pan. When you do a hot pan, lots of things do not stick in the pan. You're going to get a lot more aromatics going in your kitchen, which everyone enjoys. So first steps is we're going to preheat our pan, which I'll do in a second, but I'm going to talk about some ingredients. The first item that I'm going to actually put into the stir fry would be sesame oil. Once I do this, the pan's already going to be hot and you'll start to hear it sizzle. The next step would be minced garlic and also minced ginger. So once we get them in the pan, we'll be sauteing them for about 10 to 15 seconds, get a nice aromatics going. Then we're going to add our vegetables. We'll saute the vegetables for about 2 minutes. Then once the vegetables are starting to cook, we'll now add our protein and our sauce and bring the dish together. I've also cooked some brown rice off for today, but again, you can certainly use basmati, jasmine, sticky rice, any starch of your choice, really. You can even serve this over mashed potatoes if you'd like. To do the chicken stir fry, we're gonna preheat our pan. So first we're gonna add our sesame oil. You like to give it a nice swirl in the pan to coat your pan. Then next we'll add our our garlic. Then we're gonna add our ginger. Next we'll add our vegetables. And again, this will be probably for about 3 or 4 portions, depending on how hungry your friends are. We're now gonna add our chicken. And again, if you're at home, you can put as much or little as you want in. And then we're also gonna add some sauce. We'll just add about 3 ounces of sauce to this. Mix that up. What I'm going to do is serve it over a brown rice, like I said earlier. So I pre-cooked my rice. The big thing with a stir fry is you don't want to overcook your vegetables. You want them still nice and bright, vibrant green. The last thing that I'll add is a little bit of green onions on top as a garnish, and a little bit of toasted sesame seeds just to finish off the dish. And there you have a balanced plate with whole grains, veggies, and protein.